Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Stalk My Closet. Now you can watch our videos in Hindi on our second channel Easy Sewing Tutorials. I've shared channel link in the description box, you can check it out from there. And in today's video, I'm sharing stitching of trendy balloon top. I've shared its cutting in my previous video. If you want to check it out, I've shared the link in the description box and in the I button on the screen. So let's get started. Firstly, I'll stitch the pleat. Turn bodies inside out. Iron the crease. Now I'll make a stitch. So I made a stitch. Now I'll iron the pleat. And this is how it will look. Now I'll cut the front neckline. Neck width is 3 inch. Neck depth is 6 inch, adding half inch for seam allowance. Again mark neck width point 3 inch. And join these points. Now I'll draw round neck shape and I'll cut it. Similarly, I'll cut the back neckline. Neck width is same 3 inch and neck depth is 5 inch. And neck depth is 5 inch. I have added half inch for seam allowance. I'm making round shape for back as well. Now join both front and back right sides together and stitch the shoulder slope on both sides. Overlock it. I've stitched shoulder slope on both sides. Now I'll finish neckline and armholes with the bias tape. Place the bias tape on the armhole right sides together and make a stitch. I made a stitch. Make small cuts all around the armhole. Fold the bias tape like this and make a stitch on the inner edge. Trim the excess fabric, and this is how it will look. Fold the bias tape towards the wrong side and make a stitch to secure it. Similarly, I'll finish other armhole and neckline. So I finished neckline and armholes. Now I'll stitch side fitting seam on both sides. Similarly, I'll stitch the other side. So I made side fitting seam. Now I'll finish bottom round. At the bottom, I'll insert the elastic. So I'll be making casing at the bottom, and for that I have already taken 2.5 inch extra while cutting. I have folded and ironed the seam allowance. Now I'll make a stitch all around, leaving 1 inch of fabric to insert the elastic. I made a stitch. Now I'll insert the elastic using safety pin. This is 1 inch wide elastic and I've taken elastic 2 inch less than the round measurement. I've inserted the elastic, overlap both ends and make a stitch to secure it. I made a stitch. Now stretch the elastic. And close the opening left to insert the elastic. Now I'll make a stitch on the elastic. This will keep elastic in place and distribute gathers equally. Lastly, I'll attach these wooden buttons. And with this, my top is completed and this is how it looks. And as you can see, it looks really pretty. I'm so much in love with this pattern. If you try it, do share with us on Facebook or Instagram. I would love to see your creations. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.